Hi there. Today we are going to wash a dog that's been needing it for months. We finally have a nice warm day. It's, well, warm enough anyway. Not going to get any warmer than this over the next few months, so today is it. You will need shampoo, conditioner, and a towel, a nice warm sink full of water, a nice warm day, and good running water. And you'll need a brush and a nice glove. It's got heaps of hair in it. Got to defluff the glove. And try not to scare the dog. And the last thing you need is a dog. And this one will do. Come on, bath time. Bath time. Let's go. Bath time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now the trick is, when it's something you know he doesn't like, you say it in a really high-pitched, exciting voice. Come on. How the heck does this happen? I'm caught on a nail. Shit. Gotta fix this. Not going anywhere otherwise. Dobby, come on, come on. So you got to say it in a really high-pitched, exciting voice, and he'll follow you wherever you go. Because if you go, oh, Dobby, it's bath time, he's not excited anymore. It's bath time, Dobby. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. No, he's figured it out. Okay. He's not too excited about this whole idea of a bath, so I've got to pick him up and carry him. Alright, let's do this. Dun, 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 doom time. He knows he can see the water. Alright, so yeah, he's really not too thrilled about this. But what we have to do is we have to test that the water's not too hot. It slightly is. Run some more cold. Take his collar off. There we go. There we go. Dobby's collar. And in he goes. And he will struggle. So there's plenty of water in here now. We're going to run the water over him so that we can get that nice magical lather. Make sure it's not too cold for him. First step, shampoo. Squirt a little bit on your hand. That we want. And we have a wet dog. So he's struggling a little bit. He really is not keen on the idea of a bath. Gonna roll up the sleeves. Stand down. Come on, stand down. It's getting full. I think he thinks he's gonna drown. We might have to let some of this out. So we can get a good wash of him anyway. Alright, you stand up there. That might help. Because we accidentally washed the rest of it out. Get a nice lather. Hello. Give him lots of kisses. And lots of reassurance that he's going to be okay. Hey? main thing is I've got to get him a clean face. I've got to make sure there's all the crap that's around his eyes, that we can wash that out. But the trick is not to get the shampoo in his eyes, because I don't like shampoo in my eyes. I don't think you like shampoo in your eyes, and he definitely doesn't like shampoo in his eyes, do you, Dobbs? But we can get all the gunk from around the eyes. It's all about precision. And it's all about time and patience. And, oh, look at that. We've done his eyes, checked in his ears. Make sure there's no ticks. Which he's very lucky he doesn't get them. He's loving this, eh? All that fuss for no reason, eh? Okay, time to give him good old rinse-o. Just a nice little bath splash rinse. Next rinse though, we'll have to let some water out. Actually, we'll let some of the water out now. Sorry, Dobbs, it's okay. It's just the drain. Woof. Now it's time for the conditioner. Give it a nice little... You may end up needing to use a bit of this, depending on how fluffy your dog is. As you can tell, mine is a Mr. Fluff. And he is entirely fluffy. Yes, you are. You're entirely fluffy. And this is just to make him look extra fluffy. Hey, Dobby, you're going to look extra fluffy. You're going to look extra fluffy. Hey? Yes. Mwah. Now, with the conditioner, it's also good to get around this part of the face as well, to get any leftover gunk that might not have been able to come out with the shampoo. But we've had a good run with that today, so we don't have to do much around the eyes. So now it's time for the rinse-o. Once again, check the tap, check the water temperature. Make sure it's not too hot and not too cold, and that's pretty good. Whoop, it's getting hot. Oh, now it's getting cold. There we go. There we go. Nice little rinse. Oh, it's getting cold now. Whoop. See how I put my hand over him? So I can always check the temperature, so that the hot isn't hitting directly on the dog. It's gone cold. Then it's gone hot. And it's gone cold. And it's gone hot. Cold, hot. There we go. We're almost done with this. Now, a lot of people like to put fancy perfumes on their dog, little colognes and stuff, hey? And they smell so pretty, but the colognes don't agree with his skin, so we'll skip that step. Oh, turn that off. Okay, we got to wring him out. Careful not to wring too tight because their little bones are fragile. Give me a paw, it's all right. So give them a little, got to do their back legs as well. But I'll have to let the water out for that. The next important step is to dry the dog off. I'm going to shake it off. Shake it off. That's the way. That's an all-important step, is the shake. But first of all, I've removed the collar from the towel area. I've got it looped around my arm. This will stop me from losing it later. This is our nice fluffy towel. And this will keep the dog from shivering. Poor little guy. And this is where we pick up the dog and we wrap the towel around him nice and snug and warm, and not cover his face so he can still see what's going on. And we have a Dobby, snug as a bug in a little puppy rug. We take him outside for the next vital step, watching our step. And that is the drying of the puppy. And I'm going to take this collar off. We've got to give him a nice little, rapid little dry. Hey, rapid little dry. Dry off his face, dry off his ears, dry him all off. Hey, hello. Hey. Now we could use a hairdryer to dry off the excess water, but he's not a big fan of the noise, so we skip that step as well. It just depends on the dog, and it depends on your patience. Dry him off as best as I can and save him from too much more trauma. Bath time is so much trauma, isn't it? Right? It's so much trauma. So much trauma. But he just sits there and he puts up with it because he's a good boy. There we go. Oh, so much fluff. So much fluff. So much fluff. Whoop. Do. Doesn't mind this one. Do. I'm E.T. Phone home. See, I do it like this. To him, it's like getting nice, long patsies all over, which he just loves. He'll put up with that all day. Scratches behind the ear. Scratch behind the ear. And scratches on the top of the head. Scratches under the chin. Scratches under the chin. And the final step, once we've dried the dog, is the grooming. And this is where these come in handy. And we got the dog, he's almost dry. As dry as we're going to get him. We got the brush. We got the glove. Which one are we going to use first, Dobby? We've chosen the brush. So that's what we will do. We get a brush. And done all around his face. Of course, if he's not enjoying the brush, we use the glove because it feels like a nice long hatch. No, look, scratches under the chin. My favourite bit, give him a hairstyle. What are we going to do today? Should we do mohawk? His hair's a bit long for a mohawk. What do you reckon? Whoa, pretty spunky. Or we do go comb over. What do you reckon, hey? Little old man. Hey? We do a comb over. Pretty cool. Now we're going to add something to this little comb over. The Elvis cowlick. Look. There we go. And we have a nice clean brush dog. This is the last step, and this is his favourite bit. Off you go, Dobby. Woo! See, we don't need the cologne. He likes to choose his own scent. And this week, it's the rug. What are you doing? You good? We forgot a step. The collar. Yes, it's time for the collar to go back on. Okay, which way is the right way? That way? Or that way? That way. That looks right to me. There we go. Pull his ears out. I think we're done.